Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SocialBee AI to automate social media research. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the SocialBee website. Log into your SocialBee account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard on your main screen. Click on the Settings tab in the left-hand menu. Scroll down to find the AI Features section. Enable the toggle switch for the SocialBee AI feature. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Click Yes to proceed. Next, navigate to the Content section of the dashboard. Select Research from the drop-down menu. In the Research area, identify the key topics you want to explore. Enter your chosen topics into the search bar provided. Adjust any filters available to refine your results based on your target audience. Click the Search button to initiate the research automation. Wait for the AI to gather and present relevant social media insights. Review the information presented by SocialBee AI. Save any valuable insights to your content library for future use. Experiment with different keywords to expand your research scope. Use the insights obtained to inform your social media strategy. Remember to revisit the research section regularly for updated information. Adjust your content strategy as needed based on new insights generated by SocialBee AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.